let me show you my trick for making a really good breakfast out here. So we're gonna start with this peak breakfast skillet and we're gonna zhuzh it up. So just to shake it up, I'm gonna follow the instructions. It says to add 8 ounces of boiling water. So let's get that sorted. 8 ounces is the bottom mark. All right, let's get it going. Gonna let that boil. And so my trick for today is that we're gonna use these eggs, little leftover taco hot sauce, and these tortillas, and we're gonna make little street tacos out of them. So it looks like we're ready. Always remember to take out the desiccator. And the one thing I think the people on YouTube didn't emphasize enough, for me at least, is that you really need to stir this very well. So I'm gonna stop recording really quick and stir it. All right, so let's kick this recipe up. I'm gonna try and put this on low, whatever that means. Oh, we're just gonna put these right on here. Just cook them up. So I think you know where I was gonna go from here. So if you haven't bought this one before, it's got a mix of peppers and potatoes and eggs and sausage. So it really does lend to, I'd say, a breakfast burrito. So I'm gonna pack this in. We're gonna use our leftover hot sauce from Taco Bell. And bam, one breakfast taco. See, I really like these. I think the tortilla helps with the texture. I've eaten the bag straight before and it's perfectly fine, but I think the texture is a little bit nicer with the tortilla. Maybe that's just my bias, but if you have a couple extra tortillas and you plan on eating this, I would definitely recommend making it this way. All right, fam, see you next time.